Hello my friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun products to share with you today. One of them is an absolute, a couple of them are must-haves, but this one in particular is a really big must-have for me personally. It is Slimline rectangles. I cannot tell you how many times because of course you have the one that comes with the layering in the Slimline dies that we do, but sometimes you need more than one layer. And yeah, what do? Well, now, boom, now you have them. The nice thing is there's lots of different options in here. In fact, perfect for doing strips of stamping on them, different borders if you want to. That middle one right there is like the perfect border strip also. So you're definitely gonna find a lot of uses for these, even if you don't use them on slimlines, because sometimes you just want a strip of perfectly cut paper to add a strip to a regular size card. Well, now you're gonna have some strips in different widths. You're gonna fall in love with this set, trust me. Also on today's list are the stamps called Stamps for Guys. Now, we have our cute little stamps and the dies that match. Perfect for any guy in your life, anybody that likes old cars, anybody that likes fish, cute little tie. There's Happy Father's Day, Happy Grandpa Day, Papa. So we have Papa, Grandpa. We have you're a one-of-a-kind guy, you're my hero, you're really cool, because get it, fish, really cool. And we have those cute little dies over there, and I have lots of fun samples to share with you. Let's look at the samples first before I share the next product with you. So here's a cute sample using both items. So here we have that fun fancy car, old timers car, and then we have 2 layers of the rectangles. See, I told you you're gonna use those rectangles a lot. Here's another one using those rectangles to emboss the background. Grandpa, you're really cool. Oh, here's those rectangles in action using our long thanks. Isn't that gorgeous? You can even pop them up to have different layers. So fun. Again, here you go. That's why you need those. You need those layers so you can add different layers of cardstock. Here's another reason, and how cute is that? Look at those cute little ties. You're a one-of-a-kind guy. Happy Father's Day. So cute. Here's a cute one with that car. Look how fun that car is. It reminds me of that movie Grease, you know? It's like, it's so fun. And then here's a cute fish on a wobbly. Look at this. Boing, boing. Happy Father's Day. Here's a cute one. Ooh, that car, but in brown. You're a one-of-a-kind guy. Now these are this one's really fun because this designer, Lisa, made her own background paper just by stamping it in black. Happy Father's Day. Here's a cute one. You're really cool, using that stamp with the cute little makeshift fun fishing pole. Open it up. Happy Father's Day, Grandpa. You're my hero. Isn't that awesome? I love that. Oh, here's a cute one. You're a great catch. Oh my goodness, look at that bear. I hadn't seen that one yet. Look at that cute little bear holding that fish. You're a great catch. I love that. Who did that? Danya, that is adorable. I love that. Here's another one, using that tie to make your own background paper and just coloring one. Oh, here's a fun one. Dad with the tie. So cute. Oh, look at this cute car. Look at that background. I love that. Grandpa. Happy Father's Day. So cute. Here's another fish. I love the size of that fish too. It's not a little fish. It's a good sized fish. Happy Father's Day. You're really cool. Ooh, look at this one. Happy everything. Look at those fish. Happy everything. Oh, here's another cute one with the tie-dye. You're a one-of-a-kind guy. So much fun, and you're gonna find so many different uses for those stamps and dies. Now, besides all of those awesome products, we also now have the Totally Tiffany 6-drawer storage and supply case. Not only in black, but also in the exclusive pink as well. Look at that, isn't that fantastic? Now, 6-drawer. What are you gonna use your 6-drawer for? Here's an example of a 6-drawer. I literally just got mine, so I haven't gotten to fill mine up yet. But my plan is a couple different things. Number one, perfect for washi tape. I have some washi tape starters in there. I'm gonna fill a whole thing of it just of washi tape. Another thing is it's also great for ribbons. Now I currently am using the 2 drawer for ribbons, but any extras that I have, or if I want to travel with a couple, I can throw some ribbons in here as much as I want. Also, I'm gonna be using this one as my catch-all. Sometimes you just have stuff you don't know where to put it. So extra blocks, extra adhesives. When you don't know where to put it in the 6 drawer because it's gonna be protected, it's gonna be kept safe. You're gonna be able to see everything, but then you're gonna be able to get it as well because you're just gonna pull out that drawer and use it. So it's available in the exclusive pink, look at that, exclusively for the Stamps of Life. You gotta love my best friend Tiff, but also in the black as well. So go check those out. Club members, of course you're getting the club discount. Wouldn't be a club without that club discount, right? If you're not saving 15 to 20% on our website every single day, you need to join the club because you're missing out. It's like a sale every time you go to our website. And when we have flash sales on top of the sale, so you have a flash sale and your club discount, it's like you're getting double discounts. Isn't that awesome? Go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. And you know what? I'm gonna see you there. Bye-bye.